Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the rest of the questions of our exercise 11A. The question number 14 says, a tricycle is sold at a gain of 15% and had it sold for 108 more, the profit would have been 20%. Here we have given two conditions. One condition, if as I assume let selling price is equal to X. So when selling price is equal to X, gain is 15%, and if selling price is equal to 108 more, that is X plus 108, then gain is equal to 20%. So what I will do is, I will find out the value of CP in both the conditions. So I will find out the CP in both the conditions. So CP is equal to how much? 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. So I will keep the formula like this, and this is 100 by 100 plus 15 into X. In first case it is this much, and in the second case this will be equal to 100 by 120 into X plus 108. Now both I am talking about the cost price of the same article, so that should be equal. So I will equate 100 by 115x is equal to 100 by 120 into x plus 108. Now we can solve for x like this. So 100 is 100 eliminated. What comes out as 120x is equal to 115 x plus 108. So this is 120x minus 115x is equal to 115 into 108. Then this is equal to 5x is equal to 115 into 108. So x is equal to 115 into 108 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are. So 23 into 108. You have to multiply this and you will get the result cost price. Now come to question number 15. In question number 2 also the same type of question as it is in 14, but here loss and gain both is been occurring. So when let the selling price is X. So loss is 8% when selling price is equal to X, and in the next situation selling price is equal to X plus 3360, then that time we are having gain is equal to 6%. So we have to find out the formula. So here we will use this formula. CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. This is formula when we are having loss, and CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. So these two I will equate. So 100 by 100 minus 8 into selling price, that is X, and here 100 by 100 plus 6 into selling price, that is equal to X plus 3360. Now we will solve for this X, you can say. So what is the value? This comes out as 100 by 92 into X, and here 100 by 106 into X plus 3360. 100 and 100 eliminated. 106x is equal to 92x plus 92 into 3360. Same procedure. 106x minus 92x is equal to 92 into 3360. And then what is the value? It is 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 9 is 1. X is equal to 92 into 3360. So X is equal to how much? 92 into 3360 divided by 14. Solve it and you will get the result. Yeah, the next question. It is Pankaj sells 2 cycles for 2,376 each. On one he gains 10% and the other he loses 10%. Find his total gain and loss percent. So he is having 2 cycles. The selling price of each cycle is equal to 2,376. In the first cycle he is gaining 10%. So what is the CP over here? CP is equal to 100 plus gain percent. Sorry. 100 by 100 plus gain percent, that is 10. into selling price. So I could write 2376, and here what is the value CP? CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent, that is 10 into 2376. Now I will add these two cost price and I will add the selling price of the both. Whatever the profit is there, then profit, otherwise loss is there to loss. So what is the value? 100 by 110 into 2376, and here 100 by 90 into 2376. Okay. So here cost price comes out as 2160 and here cost price comes out as 2640. So we will write down total selling price is equal to how much? 2376 plus 2376. You will add whatever it comes out. Total cost price, that is equal to 2160 plus 2640. We will add these two together. So if selling price is greater than selling price, or otherwise cost price is greater than profit is loss is there. So here you can see, students, we will find the total SP, total CP, and we will subtract. So it will be loss is equal to CP minus SP. 48 loss percent is equal to loss by CP. So this is 1% loss is the answer, right? So this is very important question. You have to attempt it. Now the next question, students, it is, on selling an exhaust fan for rupees 7,350, a man gains 1 by 6 of its cost price. Find the cost price of the fan. So let the selling price be 7350, we have written. Gain is equal to 1 by 6 of CP. So let CP is equal to X and gain is equal to how much? 1 by 6. So according to question, this means what? CP plus gain is equal to SP. We will substitute. X plus 1 by 6, X is equal to 7350. Now I will find the value of this X easily. So this will become 6X plus 1X divided by 6 is equal to 7350. So 7X by 6 is equal to 7350. So here it can be written as X is equal to 7350 into 6 divided by 7. Now what is the value? 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So this will be equal to 0, 6 5s are 30, 6300. So this is rupees 6300 cost price of the given exhaust fan. Okay. Now question number 18 says, Mohit sold a watch to Karim at a gain of 10%. So there is one person, Mohit. Mohit has given to Karim. Mohit has sold to Karim at a gain of 10%. So in this they are having 10% gain. And Karim sold it to Rahim at a gain of 4%. And this again he has sent to Rahim and at a gain of 4%. Right? So what is the question? If Rahim pays rupees 14,300 for it, for how much did Mohit purchase it? So Rahim has paid how much? 14,300. So whatever Rahim cost price is there, that is the Karim selling price. So it means gain is equal to 4%. So selling price is equal to how much? 14,300. And here we can find out the CP. CP is equal to how much? Again 100 by 100 plus gain percent. So I will write directly. And here selling price is equal to how much? 140,300. So this will be the CP for this Karim. Whatever CPs is there for Karim, that is the selling price for Mohit. So this is equal to selling price of Mohit. So what is the value? It is coming 100 by 104 into 14300. So this value come out as 143,1000 divided by 104. Leave it like that only because 143 is a prime number, so not an issue. But you can overwrite over here is, this is equal to selling price of Mohit. Okay, so selling price of Mohit is this and gain is how much? 10%. We will find the CP. CP is again 100 by 100 plus 10, that is 110 into this one, 143,000 by 1040. 11, so it will be cut out. Yes, 10 and 10 will be eliminated. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are. So the answer is equal to 12,500. So Mohit has purchased it in 12,500. This is how we solve this question. And now the students, same question, the same type of question is this also. If the manufacturer gained 10%, the wholesaler dealer 15% and the retailer 25%, then what is the production cost of the washing machine whose retail price is this? So here we are having manufacturer. One person is manufacturer. Then it is go to wholesale dealer. Okay. Then it is goes to retailer. So manufacturer gain 10%. So manufacturer, whatever he is having some CP, he is having gain is equal to how much? 10%. So he will sell something. So selling price is this for the whatever the cost price of the wholesale dealer. Again, he will be having gain of how much? Gain of how much is equal to 15%. So here 15% he will sell it to retailer. So selling price of wholesaler dealer is equal to selling cost price of retailer. Again, retailer will having a 25% of profit gain. So 25% gain, and he will sell it to the selling price is equal to the 37950. So this is equal to 37950. So first of all, what you have to find out? Cost price of retailer. So cost price of retailer is how much? 100 by 125 into 37950. Then cost price of wholesale. So cost price of the wholesaler is cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus 15. I will write like this. Into this selling price is equal to this one. So this is equal to, I am not solving it, students. You can solve by your own, 37950. And now cost price for manufacturer is how much? Cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus 10 into this amount. So this is equal to 100 by 115 into 100 by 125 into 37950. Solve it and you will get the result. So this much is the answer for this. I have done the all the calculation for you people. So 24,000 will be the final cost price for the manufacturer. Similarly, we can do the question number 20 also. Mr. Mehta purchased a video for 20,000 and a television for 30,000. On the video, he lost 5% and the television he gained 5%. Find his total and lost percent. Again, you have to find the SP and SP for both the videos and for the television, and then total selling price, total loss percent, and you will get the result. And what about this question number 21? By selling 36 oranges, a vendor suffer a loss equal to the selling price of 4 oranges. Find his loss percent. So whenever you have to do this type of question, students, I said you earlier also, let the cost price be equal to 1 and then you will solve it. So here CP of 36 oranges minus SP of 36 oranges is equal to SP of 4 oranges, it is given. So CP of 36 oranges is equal to selling price of 40 oranges, and let the CP of orange be 1 and you can calculate it easily. Similarly, by selling a 8 dozen pencil, a shopkeeper gains the selling price of 1 dozen pencil. Find his gain percent. So now you can do these questions. So that's all today for the video. So have a nice day, students.